Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you Jandel Picture Frame code or image ID in Grow a Garden 2. So guys, there is a new item in Grow a Garden 2. It's called Picture Frame Crate, and from this crate, you'll be able to get either the small picture frame, big picture frame, or the mega picture frame. And then guys, this is very unique because you can add an ID and the ID will give you a picture or image. For example, if you want to get this Jandel image or Jandel picture, you can add this code. 11752163917790. And when you put this image, you will get this Jandel image or Jandel picture. So each ID will give you a unique image, guys. And in the next video, I'll give you another ID or another code that you can try for your picture frame. Okay guys, and that's all about the Jandel picture frame code or image ID in Grow a Garden 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!